This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage the end with the holes in the underside of the bonnet. The air filter housing is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Release the clips around the circumference and lift the filter cover. Remove the filter element. Remove any dirt or debris from the filter housing. Manoeuvre the new filter element into position with the rubber seal uppermost. Lower the filter cover and secure it with the clips. Disengage the support prop and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.